How do I find out if there's an arrest warrant for me in Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we have is how do you find out if there's an arrest warrant that's been issued for you? And unfortunately, there's no real simple solution to that. There's a lot of different places that you need to look, and it depends on where you think a warrant may be coming from. So first off, in Oklahoma, we do have relatively open and publicly available court records on oscn.net and odcr.com. You can look there, search your name, find any open cases, and see if there's any warrants in those cases. And then out of Tulsa, you can search on Google just for Tulsa warrants. And they've got, the City of Tulsa has a website that shows not only active warrants from the municipal court, but also incorporates from county as well. So that's a good resource to utilize. But that's only going to help you in the Tulsa area, Tulsa County, City of Tulsa. If it's not a warrant that's in state court, that's going to show on oscn.net, odcr.com, and it's not in the Tulsa area, you're going to have to look at your area and where you think it's going to be. So if it's out of a municipal court, you're going to have to look for those records. Some are available online, some are not. As far as a statewide system to search all the municipal courts, that's not available to the public generally, so it can be tough. So if you've got a question about your particular circumstances, you're going to talk to an attorney, you can call somebody at my office. You can schedule that by going online to makelawEasy.com, and then we can get your specific information on the likelihood of there being a warrant, who would be issuing it, and where to look. Also, federally, that's not going to show on OSCN, ODCR, or City of Tulsa warrants. That's going to be separate. A lot of times when there's federal indictments, they are under seal, so there may not even be a way to search that and know that. For people that are under investigation for a crime, a lot of times it does make sense to hire an attorney early in the process before there is a court case. I can tell you that one of the things that we do for our clients that retain us for pre-filing representation, we call it. Not only do we deal with law enforcement, put up a wall, handle those communications, look at defenses and try to mitigate the chances of being filed, but we also have a service that we use that checks court records every hour so that we get immediate notice almost if a case is filed so that we can be prepared for that. But if you've got questions about your specific circumstances, you want to talk to an attorney about that confidentially. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.